Alright, so the first stitch we're going to do is the satin stitch right here on our little moon. So we've already transferred our pattern. We're just going to come up right along one side here and do a stitch over to the other side of our sheet. Come back right up next to where we had our last stitch, and again go across to the other side. And this is called the satin stitch. We're just going from one side of the shape to the other with long, flat stitches. We want our stitches to be nice and close together. So they should touch or kind of like hug each other. And if you end up with any gaps or anything, just go ahead and go back and fill that in. Just want a solid, smooth section of color to fill in our shape here. And there we go. That's our